Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mute someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to mute someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and over here guys, in order to mute someone, you'll be required to open the chat box of the person whom you want to mute. And after landing over here guys, either you can open the chat box of the person directly from over here, or you can just tap on the plus button. If that person is not over here on this list, tap on the plus button and all of the contacts on your WhatsApp will be available over here. Open the chat box of the person whom you want to mute, and after that, after the chat box has been opened, at the top of the screen you can see their name. Tap on their name and you can see the notifications and sounds option available for us. Tap on that and you can see the mute notifications option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on mute notifications and you can see the time for which you want to, or you will be able to mute that person. And with that being done guys, that person will be muted on WhatsApp. And then guys, this is how to mute someone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.